Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be checking out this kit that you can buy from Candycoat. Now I did buy this with my own money, and yeah, we are going to have a look, kind of see what we get in the kit, if it's worth the money, and do some little simple nail art using the stuff that we get inside. So let's open it up. So the first thing I see is we've got some stickers, but as you can see, some of them have come off and misplaced and stuck to random stuff in the bag. And here we go. So yep, we have a sheet of stickers. I am seeing a little brush. I'm pulling out is we have a bag of Aurora sequins. I'm actually running out of these, so that is actually quite cool. Here we have a classic LED gel colour, HEMA free. So, oh gosh, I can't open it. Ooh. I really cannot open it. No, that doesn't work. Like, I'm really trying, like bloody Nora. Right, I'm gonna might have to pick my son up to open that. Give it a second to warm up. Then here we have a Candycoat gel paint. This is also HEMA free. It just says apply on nails and set using, I don't know what's different between gel paint and gel colour. I'm wondering if this one is blue because it's in a blue bottle. Oh, I could open this one. So yep, it is. It's a nice colour blue. If you know what the difference is between gel paint and gel colour, I would love to know. Oh my gosh, I can really not open this one. Right, we'll leave it for a bit, come back to it. I'm still trying to open up that one part. And then we have here this little tub, which is Candy Cream in Jade, which is a dark green colour. It helps if I don't hit the camera. So there we go. In a green. And I will try and come up with a design where I use all of the stuff. Now here we have a Candycoat paint pot, and it is a light blue colour. I'm guessing it's the same as this, but it's in, like one comes in a pot and one comes in a bottle, but that is just me guessing. And that is everything we got inside of the kit. I'm still trying to open up this one. Ah, got it finally. Ooh, that was hard work. So, and this is a brown. So we have a brown, a dark green, a royal blue and a light blue. The sequins, the brush and some stickers. The stickers I'm not going to use. So before we move on to the nail design, value for money wise, yeah, I paid £20, I believe it was, for this kit, and these are like £10 each on their website. These are only a couple pound, so I wouldn't say it's great value for your money, but if you're just wanting to try out some of their products, it is good for that. So I have prepared some tips here, ready. So you can kind of see. Now I'm going to kind of come up with a design on the fly. Okay, so I think I've kind of got a design in my head. So for the thumb and the pinky, I'm going to do the dark brown, and then I'm going to do the dark green on these. So that is what the base nails are looking like. And now I'm going to go in with these two colour blues, and I'm kind of going to try and do an ombre. So it'll be a dark blue French on the end too, a light blue French on the middle one, and then ombre in the two colours on these two. Okay, so this is what we are looking like so far. And the French tips going from dark blue to light blue, then back from light blue to dark blue. We have used everything in the kit apart from these sequins that come, so I'm going to tip some out because we're going to use them next, which are hard to do with that light shining in on them by there. And I place them roughly where I want to put them, making sure I'm getting the correct sizes for each side. And then once I've got them on the nail, I can then mess about with them and make sure that they're in the right place. And checking they look the same on each side. They don't. This is going a bit further up that side. So we need to push all of them along a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. And here is the finished design, just something simple, but I did manage to use all of the stuff that came in the kit. Let me know if you liked this design. So just to recap, we got some stickers, we got a brown gel colour, a blue gel paint, a light blue paint pot, and a candy coat candy cream in jade. So, oh no, and we got the brush and the sequins that I also used. So that is everything that you get in this kit. Was it worth the £20? Yes. Do I think they could have done a bit better with the colour choices? Most definitely. Whether, if you buy this kit, if you get the exact same colours that I got, I don't know. Or if like the colour, they just pick up a colour, random colour of this, a random colour of that, and so forth. I don't know. But yeah, so that was everything we got in the kit. Is it worth £20? I would say yeah. Just. It's a good way to test out some of their products though, if you don't want to spend a lot of money. This was the simple nail art that I did using the stuff that I got. Don't forget, the link to my Etsy shop is in the description box below, and I'll see you all in another video, guys. Bye bye for now.